everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh, sorry, I just sprayed dry shampoo in my hair because it was looking a little bit greasy. So the dry shampoo, by the way, that I use is this Baltese. How do people say it? Baltese. I don't know, it's a really common brand. Everybody uses it, but yeah, I really like this kind. It keeps my hair looking clean and fresh for a long period of time. But anyways, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today's video is going to be a spooky Halloween skeleton look. I got some inspiration from James Charles. He did a neon looking skeleton. I'm gonna put it right here. It looks so beautiful, but he is very talented, way more talented than I am, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to achieve this look as good as he did, but we're going to try. I have never tried to do any type of like special effects, any type of makeup that is like artistic, I guess you could say. I just do regular eyeshadow looks. I've never tried like any Halloween looks, anything like that. So this will be a first, so we're gonna be trying this together. For most of the products, they're gonna be all drugstore. I think I'm gonna add just like one or two items that aren't. But for overall, this is gonna be a drugstore look. So for them girls that are saving the coins, or guys, this makeup look will be achievable to you. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Mermaid Forever palette. This is the only palette at Ulta that I could find with like pretty blues and purples inside of it. So I'm gonna try to do the skeleton look, but more of a purpley neon instead of a blue like James did. First, we're gonna start off with the eyes, and then I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera, and then we'll do the skeleton look at the very end. So if you want to see how I did this super easy, affordable skeleton look, then just keep on watching. Alright everybody, this is my completed look. It looks a lot better than the first time, but not as good as I was hoping for it to be the second round of me doing it. But I mean, practice makes perfect, so I'll just keep practicing and hopefully I'll be better at this whole skeleton makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!